switched on ultra low latency mode or whatever in the hopes that I can test the audio with a little bit more, yeah. Also, that keeps clipping, which is funny to think. I don't know why it keeps clipping considering I'm nowhere near the microphone, but okay, whatever. Let's stick it to about there. Filters, yeah, whatever. Oh my god, YouTube, mate. So. Okay, well, doing another audio test. I've turned the volume down a bit. I've got what's it called? Speaks low CPU usage. Let's max that out. I don't understand why maxing it out. Let's try it this way. Maybe it works backwards. Seems alright to me. Not sure what to think. I've dialed back the 3-band equalizer a bit, so it's not quite so sharp. Doesn't sound very good though, it sounds muddy like that, so I guess it needs it. Okay, so I've turned them up a bit, let's see how that goes. I'm not even trying to speak very loud or anything, because worst case scenario kind of thing. Let's try this. Use the good quality noise remover. See how that sounds. I don't know, I think I prefer speak sort of, I suppose. Let's try them both at once and see what happens. One, two, three, four, five. Is this any good for audio? I don't know. Do I care? Probably not right now. I'm a bit over trying it. Okay. Let's just use Speaks for now. I think I prefer that one, to be fair. Once it gets a sample of the background noise like the AC, it seems to be pretty decent. Maybe I'll put that off. Okay, so let's try the neural network, good quality one. So Speaks, then neural network. And amplify the highs, reduce the lows a bit. Yeah, see how that goes. And then turn it up a bit. It does clip a bit though, unfortunately, but whatever. Yeah, I think that works okay. I think that might be acceptable for now. Beyond caring almost now though. I'm so tired of trying to figure it all out. So now I'm quite close to it. I can see it's in the red. And I can see it clip sometimes as well, so that's really problematic. I turned it down a little bit. Minus 7 dB. Still clipping though, but I've tried to move the equalization across a little bit, so let's see if that helps. It's hard to say, but I think this might do. It's just putting me off from doing my soldering that I want to do, which is annoying. But whatever. I wonder if I could do Speaks twice. And if that does anything useful. I would imagine not, because I think the noise suppression usually is just background noise like fans, AC units, etc. Anything that's repeating. Yeah. Alright. Well, I prefer Speaks. It's a shame it picks up my mouse clicking so much. Okay. What about 1, 2, 3? I think that'll do. Okay, that's fine-ish, I think. I suppose, actually, I don't know, will it tip my thing over? I can get the microphone closer to my mouth. Sorry for the noise. Oh, I kind of overlooked the fact that it points at my AC unit at that angle, so it collects that. Interesting. But it sounds better up here, so maybe that's the path I'll go with it. Kind of gets in the way of everything though, but... Whoops. Or I'll knock it over like I just did. I feel sorry for anyone actually playing this audio video thing. I apologise. I found one hairband which I used to pin the webcam in place, which was great. Could have done with another one though. Yeah, I mean, right now if I'm looking through the magnifying glass, through the microscope should I say, there's a microphone there. I wonder how that sounds. I see it clipping though. So I think if I have the microphone here, approximately about here, I think that means I can get away with having the neural network noise reduction without the equalizer. I think, I'm not sure, but let's just turn this up a little bit and a little bit more. I think that'll do, because I tend to speak softly, but yeah, it's a little bit muffled. Filters. Yeah, I'm not happy with how that is. Okay, so 3-band equalizer, microphone on top of the microscope. Am I happy with that? I can't say. It's going to be annoying when I adjust the, it's going to rub. But whatever, I can live with that, I suppose. It does sort of get in the way of the camera though, which is kind of annoying. Whatever, we'll have to deal with it. Oh my god, sorry about the ears. I'm about to pull the windshield off. It's a bit dodgy how I'm holding it. It's just barely on top of the microscope, but I want to see how that sounds without the filter. I guess that's okay, to be honest. I think it will do. It doesn't have a clear line of sight to my mouth, but I think that don't matter really. Ideally, it would go somewhere like this and be really clear and really near my mouth. But that's not really an option now, I don't think. Okay, strangely enough, it does kind of just sit there quite well, which I'm a little bit surprised about. It does make the microscope feel a bit tippy, but I don't think that's too much of a problem, to be fair. Yeah, I guess that'll have to do. It's not quite exactly where I'd like it, I suppose, but I think that'll do. The microscope is needing a small adjustment, but yeah, I think that'd be fine. It's a lot better than how it was just a minute ago. Yeah. Yeah. Also, the microphone's more in line with my mouth, which is good. Okay, that'll do. I just need to figure out how I'm going to hold that down now, because I don't have anything handy. Okay, oh, excuse the noise. About to put the pop filter back on. Windshield. Quite happy with the settings so far. I'm going to turn it all off again. If anyone did check this out, I'm so sorry. I'm just trying to figure out the settings.